Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacy. I'm Auntie Stacy. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called Monkey Business. In the wild, there are many different animals. Some of them are big. Some of them are small. Some of them are fast. And some of them are slow. But every animal has a part to play. Elephants have long trunks that sniff out water. They can find a drink, even when it's hard to see. And when they do, they trumpet to their friends. Rhinos like routine. They follow the same paths again and again, making wide trails as they crash through the bush. Hippos love to eat sweet green grass and lots of it. They keep the grass next to the river short, so the water is easier to reach. But what about monkeys? Monkeys have an especially important job to do. From sunrise to sunset, they're on the go, climbing, tumbling, jumping and searching for food. Monkeys dangle by their feet from trees, looking at the world upside down. They swing from branch to branch in groups of 2, 3, and 4 at a time. Mommy monkeys can do it all, with a baby clinging to their belly. What do the little ones see from down there? When they want a snack, monkeys pick a flea straight from each other's back. And when they're hot and tired, they cannonball into the water. So, what's the important job monkeys have? They play all day, and that's very hard work. This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.